Yesterday, we managed to climb up to 96 degrees. That tied a record going back to 1990. Naples and Punta Gorda shy of record values, but boy, hot out there in Punta Gorda on the south side of the Peace River. 3 shy off the record of 97 going back to the mid-30s. As we look at the radar right now, signs that our rainy season pattern is attempting to kick in as we've got a few showers here north of the lower Keys. They're staying away from Marco and Cape Romano. And as we go throughout the afternoon, we have a 20, maybe a 30% chance of an isolated shower or storm. We're waiting for our atmosphere to really moisten up a little bit more. We have dry air in the mid to upper levels, and it's just keeping our showers and thunderstorms from developing here in the afternoon hours as we wait for the rainy season to really fire up here in the weeks ahead. Kind of a slow transition to get it started here in the middle parts of May. We need the rainfall for the month. We're a little over an inch behind and approaching 4.5 behind for the year. We usually see a big jump from about 3.5 to almost 9.5 inches of rain there from May to June, and we see 70% of our average annual rainfall in the time frame between the middle of May and the middle of October. And just to give you an idea, this is some of the average rainfall numbers from Fort Myers through Moorhaven, where we pick up some 41 to 35 inches of rain across the area. Is a very important time frame, and usually these storms early in the year are the strongest and most severe, with the potential for small hail and damaging winds. You look at the temperatures right now, we're at 69 LaBelle, mid-70s there along the coast, and we're going to see a hot afternoon, and we're already a little warmer between the Cape, Port Charlotte, and Arcadia. As far as the wind, it'll be light today, near 10 miles per hour. You see it kind of hanging there between 5 and 10. Once it flips out of the west, that's when we see those sea breezes collide, and we'll see our temperatures up near 92. Your sunset time, 8:08. We'll be there in the mid-80s. Our record for today is 97 back in 2017. As we look at the rest of the country here, low pressure over Illinois and Indiana, and you can see an old frontal boundary to our north. This one is bringing quite a bit of wet weather here from St. Louis all the way over towards Evansville, and all these storm systems are going to track to the north, and that ridge of high pressure is what's going to be driving where our showers and thunderstorms develop here in the days ahead. This afternoon, you see that development of the sea breezes inland, and that's where we have that 20 to 30% chance of a shower. Changes come Wednesday. The change, winds come west to east. That will push the wet weather that develops inland over towards the east coast. So while we may see a couple of showers towards Glades and Hendry County, all the rainfall moves away, and a fairly similar forecast there for Thursday. So for this afternoon, there's lunchtime, partly cloudy. A couple of showers start to develop here by 3 o'clock, and we'll see a few of those linger all the way through 6 and 7. So definitely a chance here to pick up some wet weather, although the rain chance not quite that high and the coverage is fairly low. We'll go up in the low 90s again today as that west wind kicks in. Overnight tonight, 74, partly cloudy as we stay warm. 7-day forecast shows those temperatures a little closer to our average as we go through Wednesday and Thursday. Now that westerly wind will take our rain chances down on Wednesday, and then we see that dry air can linger here through the weekend. So we'll go with a 20% chance or less. That's why I've taken the rain icon off for the weekend before it jumps back to 30 for Monday, with high temperatures remaining at 90. Overnight lows will be in the low 70s as the humidity is up and not going anywhere in this extended forecast.